Good afternoon, YouTube. Bikes and Bullets. Beautiful 55-degree weather after that big snow we had. All the snow's melting. Just been nasty. Now it's all muddy, but it's a beautiful day out. Figured I'd check in. Hadn't made a video in a while. This trailer here I bought for my tractor, I've probably used this thing more for my nephews than for myself. Pretty badass though. All right, I am going out to the pole barn. I'm gonna do a cold start on my tractor where it's been sitting the last month and a half or so. On my TYM 2515H. This bad boy's been sitting in here the last couple of months out of the snow and the elements. And this is a cold start. I got to get it moved out of here. It's so cold in here. The water's still frozen. So it's a lot cooler in here than it is outside. All right, we're going to do a cold start here. Now I cycle it off. After I cycle it on, cycle it on. Let those glow plugs warm up. I'm going to do it a third time. Just something I've always done with fuel injected things, vehicles, motorcycles, everything, after they sit for a long time. That way the pressure builds up. And let's see. Oh, that's rough. Get it started. Well, with the weather warming up, another day in the seat of a tractor is a good day. Got lots of work to do. We'll let this sucker warm up and pull it out of here. Get this backhoe back to work. All right, that's a cold start on my 2022, 2023. It's one of those years, hard to tell, but I bought it brand new. Cold start on a 2515H after it's been sitting for a month and a half. All right, thanks for watching my video. This is a damn good tractor. Bikes and Bullets, I'm out.